Well, this video aims to guide users through how to retrieve deleted emails from some of the most popular email service providers, including Gmail, Yahoo, and iCloud Mail. Part 1. How to retrieve deleted emails from Gmail trash. Open Gmail on your device or desktop. Tap Menu and select Trash. Tap the sender's profile image next to each message. Select or Move to. Choose the destination for the messages. Part 2. How to retrieve deleted emails from Yahoo. Access your Yahoo Mail account and go to the trash folder. Locate the deleted email you wish to retrieve. Click on the Move icon, resembling a file folder. Select the destination folder to move the deleted email into. Part 3. How to retrieve deleted emails from Outlook. Log into your Microsoft Outlook account. Navigate to the Deleted Items folder. Open the email you want to recover. Click on Move in the top navigation bar. Then choose Folder to restore the email. Select Inbox and click Move. Part 4. How to retrieve a deleted email from iCloud Mail. Open the Mail app on your iPhone. If you have multiple accounts, find your iCloud account and tap the trash icon. If you have only one account, tap Bin Trash from the sidebar. Select the message. Tap Move Inbox to restore it. Extra. How to retrieve deleted data on Android easily. To recover other file categories from your Android phone or tablet without a backup, consider using Mobican Doctor for Android Windows and Mac, a trusted Android data recovery product.